are enjoying the summer festivities here in this wonderful kingdom of Hollywoodland. Tell me, have you enjoyed your day?
Yeah!
Oh, you can be louder than that. Have you enjoyed your day?
Yeah!
Very well then. Well, it is my great honor to introduce to you at this time, from the beautiful kingdom of Arendelle, please welcome Her Highness Princess Anna!
Hello, everyone! Oh, thank you so much for coming. There are people everywhere. Oh, Sven, is that you back there? This is amazing. Did you see all the... Oh. Thank you. And thank all of you, too. Okay, bye. Sorry, I'm still not used to all this ceremony. Oh, now where was I? Oh, right. It's just so nice to be joining you. I've really had a great day. How about you? Have you all had a good day? Yeah! Me too. Oh, sorry. I guess I already said that. But I really did enjoy participating in all of today's summer fun and getting to see so many of you. However, there was someone I didn't get to see, and I was really hoping to.
Are you talking about me? I hope you're talking about me.
Christoph! You know, I'm always happy to see you. Oh, Christoph! Meet my new friends!
Hi, everybody. You ever need me ice? You know who to call.
I'm very glad you're here, but someone is still missing.
Right. Sven.
Well, yes, Sven, but no, besides him. You may know him. He's a little snowman, and he loves summer. Have you seen him? Wait, you see him? You see Olaf. Where? Wait, where? Where? Behind me? Are you pulling my leg? I don't see Olaf. But he's there now? Where? Christoph, was that you?
Not me. Or Sven.
Huh, I smell some funny business. What?
Oh no. Watch out! Holy produce! My bad.
I'd know that sneeze anywhere. Well, it's too bad Olaf isn't here. I wanted to hear all about how he's been enjoying his summer fun.
I love summer. Uh-oh. You got me. Silly me.
Okay, Olaf, well now that you're here, tell us about some of your summer fun.
Okay. Look. I love summer. It's so warm and toasty, and everyone comes outside to play. Oh, the sun feels so good. I just want to bask in the summeriness of all that is summer. Is summeriness a word?
I guess it is now. Congratulations.
That's so funny. Do you love summer as much as I do?
Oh, well, I don't know if that's possible, but I've heard that some of our friends out here today have had some summer fun with you. Take a look.